Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 161. Today we cover 3 cool tips in Gmail: vacation mode, email templates, and confidential mode. Alright, so first, since you're about to start summer vacation, you should set your vacation auto response. This sends an automatic reply when you receive emails letting people know what your situation is. Click the gear icon, then click See All Settings. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the vacation responder section. Now, note that you can set a beginning and end date, a subject line, and a message. You can also choose to only send responses to known contacts or people in your domain, and it will only send a response once every 4 days to people who email you regularly. While this is typically used for vacation, it can also be used if you're sick, or maybe you're about to retire, or if you're changing schools or positions and you want to let people know what your new contact info is or where your new email address will be. So while we're in settings, let's take a look at email templates. These are similar to canned responses that we covered in Tech Tuesday number 48, but now they've been updated to a better interface and are now standard. Basically, you can create a template for an email and insert it into an email quickly with just a few clicks or even through automated filters. First, check to see if you have this feature enabled. Click on the Advanced tab within Settings and check the box to turn the feature on if it's not already enabled. Then, to use it, compose a message. Then click on the 3 dots in the bottom format bar. Click the Templates option and you're given 3 choices. You can insert a template, save the current draft as a template, or delete an existing template. Contrary to the name, the templates are not whole emails. They can be, but you can also just use them to store a bit of text or a few hyperlinks or anything else. You can append to them or just use them as is. So to create one, clear your entire draft email and type only the subject and the email body that you want to use to become your template. This includes your signature. Take that out because when you use templates, they're usually inserted into existing emails, and if you save your signature as part of the template, it's going to get injected into the email a second time. Again, this can just be a snippet of information or a whole email. Once you get your template ready, save it, then you can delete the draft. You can then use it later by, while you're composing an email, clicking on the dots, choosing template, and then selecting it. Now this is great for emails that you send out again and again. Teachers and instructors, think of how many times you use the same email with links, instructions, etc., and how you may want to access that email very quickly. You can have a lot of different email templates based on the situation too. As a bonus tip, you can even use filters to set up templates. We covered Gmail filters in Tech Tuesday number 139. We'll link both of these Tech Tuesdays we mentioned in this episode in the comments below. The last feature we cover is confidential mode. The idea here is simple. When you write an email, you can select for how long the recipient will be able to read that email. Recipients will not be able to forward, copy, paste, download, or print the content. You can't really stop anyone from taking a screenshot of it, but for added security, you can also add a second factor authentication here, where the recipient's going to have to receive an SMS message with a Google-generated passcode to read the email. To use this feature, compose an email and look down at the bottom toolbar and see if you see an icon with a lock and a clock on it. If you don't have it, you'll need to contact your admin to see if they can turn that on for you or if it's allowed in your district. When you click on the icon, you'll get a pop-up that asks you how long you want them to be able to view this email and the attachments of it. Set the time frame and it'll handle the rest. If you want, you can set a passcode. If you do this, the recipients will get a passcode by text message. So you're going to want to make sure you enter the recipient's phone number, not yours. Then click Save. If you need to remove access early, you can stop the recipient from viewing the email before the expiration date. Just go to your Sent Items folder, open up the confidential email, and then click Remove Access. Now, if you're having an email sent to you with confidential mode and you're in Gmail, you just open up the email and it works like it should. Now, if they have a passcode, then you'll need to click on Send Passcode and then check your text messages for the passcode, put in the passcode, and hit Submit. If you're using a different email client other than Gmail, you're going to need to click a link that says View the Email, and then a new page will open up with the contents in it. Confidential emails are really good for very sensitive information that you don't want to stay in the recipient's inbox forever, or for messages that you just simply want to self-destruct. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.